Hi guys, this is my mommy. Mommy, please give your
Hi,
small introduction to them.
I am Abba's mom. My name is Bharti Deshpande.
Yes,
I
and
love my daughter very much.
thank you. I don't know if you will love me after this session, but okay, let's get started. Today I'm going to ask my mom some awkward questions. So I hope she doesn't kill me after this. Mom, all the best to you. Okay, chalo, start.
Okay.
What are your thoughts on guys and girls sleepover? Like when they sleep over together at a friend's house or something. What are your thoughts on that? Do you think-
I think if they are only friends, then there is no question.
Okay.
They
How
should
do you-
not
how-
cross their limits.
But how do you know they are more than friends or they are in a relationship? How do you know that if the children have not told their parents?
I trust my daughter in that.
Arey, it's not about me. It's about my generation in general.
They should remain in their limits. They should not cross their limits.
Okay. Okay. That's it.
And then they should not let their parents down.
Okay. Okay. What if you found out that I am dating or in a relationship with someone from my school or my college? Like if he's a best friend, what will be your reaction on this?
I don't think it is bad. If you are in a relationship, you should trust your parents first to tell them that you are in a relationship with someone, some guy or from school or college, it doesn't matter.
Okay. So this is the next question. When do you think it's the right time to tell their parents that they have a boyfriend or a girlfriend? When do you think
If they are confident that they can take the relationship further, they should tell their parents.
Wow, mommy. Next answer I know, but I still ask it. Was I planned or a mistake?
No, no mistake. This is not a mistake. You are my darling daughter, my baby. You are my darling daughter.
Okay. Next, why do you think that parents check their children's phone, like mobile phones? My mom has never done it. Like she has never
No.
checked my phone. But
I trust you, but parents think that they should keep a tab on their children. If they think that they find their children suspicious, then parents do it, and there is no harm in that. Parents are always worried about their children, so they do this. Wrong.
Okay, next question. What are your thoughts on sex before marriage?
No,
नहीं
Okay, but
because the norms of the society are such that you should.
no, don't talk about society. What do you think
No,
about
I
this?
also think that it should be done after marriage only.
Okay, what
Have
if
you done it?
No, mommy. What if you found out that I am bisexual?
I know you are not bisexual.
But what if?
I know you are not bisexual. Why should I think of that?
तू क्या बोल रही है अक्कल है
No.
Okay. Were hookups common during your time? Did it happen a lot during your time when you were young, when you were married? Hookups, like just casual sex and
No.
everything.
That time I think we were not this much modern.
But
Think about sex.
I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about your generation in common.
Yeah.
Do you have a favorite child? I have a older brother, so do you have a
No.
favorite child, mom?
You both are two eyes for me. No, you both are my favorite.
When do you think it's appropriate to have a sex talk with their child. Like me and my mother are very open with each other. Though we have not talked about on this topic yet, but we are open. So I know that I can talk about this to her anytime. But what do you think about my generation
After 20, the relation of daughter and mother should be friendly.
But what
they
about
can-
I am talking about son also.
Yeah. We can talk about this freely.
Okay. So basically 20 is the age
Yeah.
after which you can have the.
Yeah.
Graduation day.
Okay. What will be your reaction if you found a hickey or a love bite on my neck?
I will thrash you. I will thrash you like anything.
My mom will basically kill me if she found it that I had done something like this.
Yeah.
I'm too open, Shipra. I'm open.
No mother will be open in this night.
No. People are open. Mother
No,
and
no.
parents are open about this. Okay.
No, parents are open, but they will not allow this to happen.
અરે અલાવ માં તો તું શું કરી લેવાની હતી અલાવ તો તને પતિ ગયા પછી તું શું કરી લેવાની
કશું કરવાનું નથી એમાં પતિ ગયા પછી આપણે કશું ના કરી શકીએ
તો પછી
પણ I trust that you will not do this.
yeah
before.
I before marriage
Yeah.
you cannot trust that
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा.
I have trust in you that you will not do this.
that's it I have so ocha questions I did like I would have done more but it's okay I am all questions are done. How did you find the session mom?
I enjoy it.
भाई मजा आया.
You enjoyed it?
I didn't think that you will ask me these questions.
So it is a video about awkward questions with
Yeah.
your mother, no? So
But I had not thought that you will ask these questions too.
so what did you have? Actually,
thought that
I'll tell
will
you
ask
what
about
I
boyfriends and all.
boyfriend about your boyfriend.
No,
I know
about
you.
your friends.
I don't. You know I don't have a boyfriend.
Yeah, but I thought that you will tell me about your boyfriend.
अरे यार मम्मी मम्मी has so much hopes with me but it is not happening right now.
Yeah,
What did you think about the whole thing?
I enjoyed it.
You enjoyed it?
Yeah.
Do you want to say anything to the camera? Hi. Bas. Okay. Bas. Thank you so much guys for watching. I actually told my mom a few days back that I want to do a video with you, but she was very conscious about it. She even dyed her hair for this video. I mean,
Yeah.
come on guys, literally.
Yes.
So I told her
I
that
colored my hair.
I'll be doing this video with you. So she got prepared, but I didn't tell her the questions. So yeah. Thank you, mommy. Thank you, mommy. Thank you, mommy.
Love you.
Love you.